Welcome to Tech Research. If you have iPhone and you are facing a problem related on Vivid Filter to capture the pictures in Vivid Filter, I will show you two tips and tricks here. First one is after capturing the pictures, you can very easily convert as a normal photo to Vivid Filter, and second process, by default nearest Vivid Filter related features you can directly receive capturing the picture. So how to do it this process? Let's check it out. My iPhone screen is here. First of all, I just simply open here my photo and capture here random picture. Go back here and I open here this picture. So here bottom of the screen 3 line is showing. If I tab here, so I'm not able to access here the filter related features, so not able to convert this picture as a vivid format. So how to do it? It's very easy. Go back here and enter the setting. So first of all, enter the settings, scroll down and the camera. So here the one feature is showing app setting. If you select here, my personal opinion, you should select always amber. Afterwards, which one you like, amber and gold is one of the best. You should select amber, set one. And second thing, you need to enter here the preserve setting. Then inside the preserve setting, always enable the photography style here. So every time you capture the picture, so all pictures comes as a cinematic format. So always enable this one. Go back here and then enter here the format. So top of the screen, two feature is showing high efficiency in most compatibility. As a normally, I just simply capture the photo and using my iPhone, I just simply improve the clarity using vivid filter as well. So that point of view, you should always select most compatibility and go back here. In the photo section, I just simply capture one more picture here and then simply select here and bottom of the screen 3 line, click here and boom, here filter feature is showing. If I tab here, so filter features we are receiving. Using this process, you can enjoy the filter features in your iPhone no matter which iPhone you have right now. 15, 16 or 17, this feature is not available. Previous iPhone, they introducing this feature directly on setting. You should select vivid and all the pictures comes in vivid format. This process you should apply. Now second point, I just simply enter here the camera. Inside the camera here the photo section is showing. Here 6 dot, you just simply press here 6 dot and afterward here stylish feature is showing. You just simply tab here stylish and here the amber is showing. You should enter here and change the which one you like accordingly. You should select the particular frame and then edit one and select one. So I just simply select here in the natural, and inside the natural we need to change here the tone, color tone and color one always in positive way. So I just simply press here, select here more contrast color as well, like this, because of vivid filter are always using color features. So if I click here now, so my tone is 55 and color is 99. Open here, so this is the picture, this is the 40/40 and this is the vivid filter. So this one is a near to vivid filter. Using the setting, you should very easily access vivid filter related features in your iPhone. So this is the simple way you should access vivid filter in your iPhone. If you have any question related on this video or iPhone, you should ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Tech Research. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.